Hi friends, in this session we are going to discuss about Venn diagrams and how it is useful for us. Venn diagrams are very much helpful in understanding things in more easy way. For example, we are having lots of data means we can understand with these diagrams more easy way. Venn diagrams are useful in many of the competitive exams. They will be asking questions directly or indirectly. So indirectly means like they will Venn diagrams are helpful for you in syllogism concept that comes under reasoning. So they will be asking directly to draw Venn diagrams and all, or they will be give you four options and they will ask you to pick one of the Venn diagram logic from you. Otherwise they will be asking you to give some syllogism concepts and all. First we'll see how to draw Venn diagrams and all, then we'll come to know how to draw and how to use these Venn diagrams in real problems. Okay, so these Venn diagram concepts or these Venn diagram questions are asked in many of the competitive exams. Generally they will be giving you some 3 to 4 logics. They will be asking you to draw the diagram and all. In many of the other than competitive exams, they will be getting in placement tests or any other exams you will usually writing. So try to learn this how to draw Venn diagrams and all, so it is very helpful for you to draw this in a precise manner. Okay, so I'm giving you few questions that come in last previous year examination. So do follow this and it's very easy for you to learn and all. Okay, let's see first example. They given one of the question like this in previous year exam. They will be giving question like this: a traveler, train and bus. So these three options they given exactly. These three question they have given and they ask you to pick the best among the options given below. You need to draw your own Venn diagram and try to pick your answer. Okay, so how I am doing like this like is like traveler. So traveler, train and bus. So train and bus are different, so travel is different. Okay, so what exactly the logic here is like bus and train are different from each other, but some travelers travel by bus and some travelers travel by train. So this is the exact logic over here. Okay, so there is a traveling option, so some of the travelers may travel from train, some of the travelers may travel from bus. So this is the way to draw Venn diagram. Okay, let's moving forward to the next question. You will get a good idea over this topic. So the next question is women, mothers, engineers. So this is the question they have asked in previous one of the examination in bank exam, I guess. So how to draw is like Venn diagram exactly. So all mothers definitely women. So I'm writing like this. Okay, so all mothers are women. So I'm writing like this. So some mothers or some women may be engineers. So some women, some mothers may be engineers. So I'm drawing like this. Okay, so we need to overlap with these two, mothers and women. So we need to draw like this. Okay, so this is the exact representation of this women, mothers, engineers relationship. So I hope you got it. So simply all mothers are women, I drawn like that, and I overlapped. Some mothers may be engineers, some women may be engineers. So this is the pictorial diagram of this particular Venn diagram. So let's moving forward to the next question. So this is the question that is asked in one of the previous year question paper. Like they have given AP means Andhra Pradesh, India, world. So how to draw exactly this question is like, so Andhra Pradesh is in India, Andhra Pradesh is in India, and India is in the world. So I'm drawing like this: Andhra Pradesh is in India and India is in the world. So this is the exact diagram. You need to pick the option that is given below like this: AP is in India and India is in the world. Okay, so I hope you got some clarification or clarity how to draw Venn diagrams and all. So this is the easiest way I'm telling you. Okay, so coming to the next question, there is a question like in previous year like earth, sea, sun. They given these three relation and ask us to find the relationship diagram and all. Okay, they given four options and asking us to find the relationship. So I drawn like this. So sea is in the earth, sea is in definitely earth, so I drawn like that. So earth and sea are very different from sun. So I have drawn like that. Sun is different from sea and earth. So this is the diagram, exact Venn diagram. Okay. So moving forward to the next question, there is a question. So this is the last question. So take more and more examples and practice. You will be getting some exact idea and all how to draw these Venn diagrams and all in the real examinations. Okay. So this is the question: hockey, football, cricket. So how to draw is like, so hockey, football, cricket are three sports, different sports. Okay, draw like this. So hockey is different, so draw one circle. Football is different, draw another circle. Cricket is different, draw another circle. So this is the way I'm drawing this Venn diagram. Okay, so let's see the solution. So hockey is a separate sport, I drawn like this. Football is a separate sport, I drawn like this. Cricket is a separate sport, I drawn like this. So this is the exact Venn diagram for these different question they have given. So hockey, football and cricket. So this is it. So I have explained you 5 examples that I have given in the previous year question paper. So I hope you take more and more examples and practice regarding this topic. So if you have any queries, comment your query in the comment section. I can respond immediately to your queries on priority. So do share this presentation to your friends and colleagues who are preparing for competitive exams and other different examinations all over the world. So I hope this presentation helpful for you. Thanks for watching this video. Do like, share and comment and hit bell icon for further updates. Thank you very much.